Today we are going to do unboxing of ACTEON P5 Newtron scaler. This is the box and it is manufactured in France. These are contents of the box. This is the main body and this is the foot pedal and this is the power supply, and this hose, it is connected to the water supply and it comes with the inbuilt filter. Okay, these things come along with the scaler. First of all, this is installation manual. This is manual for the filter, and this is hand piece for the scaler. This is its manual. I think these tips are for cleaning. This is non-LED handpiece. These tips comes along with the scaler. 1, 2 and 3. This key is used to change the tips. These are various manuals.